Well, each year 8 to 10 million pets end up in shelters, so what can we do to help prevent that? Dr. Jenna Hunter is here to talk about that, spaying and neutering.
Absolutely, and a very extremely important topic, because every day we're seeing, like you say, you see the statistics online, you hear on the news, and then there's so many rescue groups even in our area that are overwhelmed because of all the people that haven't spayed or neutered their pets, and these guys are out roaming the streets.
Yep, and that's a lot of why you sponsor this segment, is because the shelter here in Lumberton is usually full and needs to get rid of the pets and get them adopted.
Yeah, anything we can do to try to at least do what we can to get them visible to where someone can hopefully adopt them.
Okay. Well, how soon can we have a cat or dog spay or neutered?
Our preference is, around 4 months of age. We can do it younger, especially when we're dealing maybe with more of what we call some of our feral colonies, where it's a trap and release. But around 4 months of age is the good ideal.
Okay. And cats, you were talking about their cycle. I mean, they can get pregnant right after, while they're still nursing.
Yeah, absolutely. Dogs usually cycle about twice a year, so you can bank on that. But cats is much more frequently. And if you've had anyone who's had a stray female around knows how many kittens you have in a 1 year time period.
Okay. Let's talk about the benefits of having it done. I mean, I've heard that it reduces some forms of cancer in cats and dogs.
Yeah, absolutely. Anything from cancer dealing with specifically with those organs, and then of course breast cancer is, we do see that quite a bit in dogs and cats, and one of the key hallmarks is if we catch them before the hormones kick in.
Okay. And the other thing I hear is that dogs that might roam off, I guess after having the procedure, want to stick more close to home?
Right. We lose that because generally, not every dog obviously, but many of them, many dogs and cats want to roam because it's their instinct to reproduce. And so if we take that away, then they are more likely to at least stay at home and not be having that natural instinct kicking in. Okay.
And the procedure, how long does it take? It's usually a day process, and they can be in and out of here pretty quick?
Exactly. I guess it'd be considered an outpatient procedure, and for you and me. And it's they come in the morning, they go home in the afternoon, and they're usually back to themselves usually free to do whatever they want to within a week, but they feel better even by that night or morning.
Okay. Dr. Jenna Hunter, Main Street Veterinary Clinic here in Lumberton. Now we'll go check on our pet of the week. As you can see, the shelter in Lumberton is full. If any of these canines catch your eye and you'd like to give them a good home, call 755-2650 and ask for animal control.